So today we're going to be taking a quick tour of the Lake Huron Credit Union website. In case you didn't already know, our website address is lhcu.org. So when you first come to our home screen here, a couple things are going to jump out at you. First thing being the It's Me 24/7 online banking. So if you wanted to check out your accounts through online, you'd click on here and it would allow you to log into your mobile banking or online banking using your username and your password. You come back to the home page here and you're able to also apply for a loan online. So by clicking on this link here, it would take you and you type in your member number and your password, and that would get you going to apply for a loan. So we scroll down here on the home page. We have a couple of ads for our two applications, our Mobi Money app and our actual mobile application. Now we scroll here down to the bottom of the page and we have our various hours for each location for Shattuck and Tittabawassee, and we have some various contact methods through social media, so through Twitter, Facebook. We have our mailing address and various phone numbers for disputes, Speedy Line, and if you have a lost visa. So coming back up to the top of the screen, we have a Loans tab. So if we click on the Loans tab here and come into this screen, it shows you the various loan products that we offer. So we have vehicle loans. You're able to apply for an LHCU Visa line of credit. You can get a signature loan, which is basically just a personal loan without any collateral, or you can do a share secured loan, which would mean using the shares you have with the credit union as collateral for a loan. And you're even able to apply by clicking the little button here, and that would take you to the loan application screen. Next, in loans, we can take you to the rates screen. So this shows you our loan rates effective February 9th, just giving you the rates for new and used autos, boats, personal loans, mortgages, home equities, etc. And next, we go to the NADA guide. So this is the guide we use to determine the value of vehicles, boats, basically any collateral we have, except for maybe a house. So you'd come here, as long as you know the year, make, and model of the vehicle, you'd be able to determine the value of the vehicle. And we also have a loan calculator. So if you come to this page here, if you know your loan amount, if you know your term, and you know the interest rate, then you plug those three options in and it would spit out a payment number to you, and that would maybe help you know if you could afford the loan or not. Lastly, in loans, we have the mortgage rates. So you come to this link here. It shows you our various mortgage rates depending on if you want 30, 20, 15, or 10-year mortgage, and it gives you maybe an estimated payment for each of those products. And then you just click the orange apply button if you were looking to apply for a mortgage. Next, we'll go to our services tab. So the first one being the bill pay FAQ. It says here we've fully integrated now with online banking. We have full mobile functionality for your phone or tablet to help you set up your bill pay. And if you're wondering how do I set up my bill pay payees, we have some good videos at the bottom of this screen, some how-to videos. First one being a general overview of the bill pay system. Next one being how to add a payee, how to schedule your payment, and how to set up an e-bill. So those are some useful tools for you if you're looking to set up your bill pay. Next, you can reorder checks. Come to this link here, enter our routing number, enter your account number, and that'll get you going to order some new checks. And we have Sprint savings. So if you're a Sprint user, you get several more benefits for Love My Credit Union rewards, and we'll come to that in a second here. But first, we'll go to the ATM locator. So this is a useful tool. It shows you all the ATMs in our co-op network. So maybe you just enter in your zip code here, do a search, and it'll show you all the co-op ATMs within a certain radius in your area. Next, we'll go to Love My Credit Union rewards, And essentially, credit union members receive exclusive discounts and benefits from trusted partners. So that's definitely something to look into if you haven't already. And we'll come back to, so lastly in the services section, insurance. We do offer True Stage Insurance. It's a product only offered to credit union members. Today, over 14 million people have True Stage. It's insurance for life, home, and auto. So this is definitely a positive and a benefit to our members that they can shop for insurance through True Stage. Next, we can come to the About Us section. Just has a brief little history on Lake Huron Credit Union. Just shows that we were established in 1959, and there's a couple paragraphs there with just our history. Next, we'll go to the Membership tab. So this shows you, who can join Lake Huron Credit Union. The main points are lives, works, worships, or attends school in Saginaw Bay or Midland counties. And it's easy to join. You just need $5 for your initial savings deposit and a copy of your state ID or driver's license. And next we'll come to our promotions, which I briefly touched on earlier. We have our Mobi Money app and our mobile application, which are very useful to our membership base. And we have a drop down showing our holiday hours. And then we have a career section. So I think it says come back later now, but if you were looking for a career at Lake Huron, you can come to the screen. Same thing with the vehicles for sale. You'd come to the screen. We don't have one at this time, but if we had a repo for sale, you could check on this page. And the savings drop down. So this would show you our deposit and CD rates. So the yield that you would earn based on what you have in your account. You can take a look at these two graphics here, and it'll show you how much you could earn if you got a CD or if you have some cash on deposit. And we'll come back to the home screen here, and that looks like that's it. That was the tour. Thank you.